Hello. What I'm doing is putting the car back together to see what's missing, or at the moment the most crucial part that I'm missing is on the rear brakes. You have this piece between the caliper and what's this called? Arm? Wishbone. Between the wishbone and the caliper. I'm not sure, but I think it's called like cardone, something like this in English. I need this for like golf. I'm not sure if I only golf 2 fits or if I can use just golf synchro, or if I need specific golf tour rally. But yeah, I really need this part, and from what I've been told, from what I figured out, is that it's really hard to get a hold of this. I found a set, like a pair of this in United States on eBay, but the thing is I need this as soon as possible. Ordering things off eBay in Norway usually takes or can take a really long time. Even though it says estimated time for arrival, it can get weeks and months after this date you actually get the part. That's the reason why I haven't ordered from eBay. And also it's was kind of it was not cheap, so I'm kind of going to wait for maybe a day or two, because the solution might be to order like brake adapter kit for the rear, so I can use, I think it would be something like so I can use S3 rear brake setup with the discs and the caliper and everything, and I have S3 parts. I have it all on the shelf, so that might be one solution. But then again, I also have to order this from this. I have to order from Germany, I think. But anyways, it's always quicker than from eBay. Other than this, today I've been putting together the harness for the engine, the coils, injectors, TPS, cam sensor, crank sensor, all of this. Catch tank blocked off. This is the output. This is the brake reservoir, brake liquid reservoir. And since this is in one earlier video, I referred to this as C6 brake booster, but it's actually C7 brake booster. And this one has output for like the clutch. I blocked this off because I have reservoir for the clutch is here. And anyways, this clutch cylinder is mounted higher up than the reservoir is, so I could not even use this because this has to stay further up than the cylinder, the clutch cylinder thing. Also, it's been a really long time since I had the engine running. I think when I had the whole engine put together, I don't think I had the headlights on while I had this charge pipe, because now it's really a tight fit between the bend in the charge pipe and the headlight. I might just remove the headlight, take on the charge pipe, and then take the headlight back on, and this might do the trick. All the same on the other side. It's a really tight fit, if it will fit. I will make it fit. Inside of the car. Yeah, also today I connected the lines, the wires, the line for gear lever. So that's why they are going like this, because since they are coming from the Mark IV, or actually Audi S3 chassis, they are a bit longer, so that's why they have this bend. Brake lines needs to be mounted so they don't, so they are, yeah. So brake lines is all done in front until here. I've made it actually all the way to this point. From here I'm gonna make continue to make brake line till the caliper, but I need this I need this bracket between the caliper and the wishbone to before I make it. Also today I've connected most of the stuff in the rear, like for the fuel tank, fuel cell, the return, the breather, to the fuel pump to the line which goes underneath the car and to the front. And I've connected most of the stuff here, like one of them is for the fuel pump, one is for Haldex pump. This is the status of the car as of today, as of now. Thank you for watching. And until next time, bye.